By integrating Captcha, you protect your contact database against hacker attacks. The Captcha system verifies human identity on the internet and thus prevents automated scripts from creating fake registrations. This means that only verified registrations will be included in your profile data from online forms. Unverified ones can be found in the main menu. Addresses. Refused registrations. And it will be up to you what you do with them. The online form designer is used to create and manage forms. Google reCAPTCHA version 3 security verification can be integrated into the registration form directly from your XCAMPAIGN account. In the main menu, select Settings, App Store. Alternatively, click on the App Store icon in the top right of the app. Select the Captcha app. In the dialog box, select XCAMPAIGN as the owner of the reCAPTCHA keys. We'll make all the settings in the Google admin for you. You must only check the URL where you will run the form. If you have already entered your own domain in the application, we will offer it to you automatically. You can check the accuracy of your saved forms by clicking on the Check Online Forms button. The application will check and list the forms without functional reCAPTCHA protection. Finally, click on the Turn On button. You will be notified by email when the application is ready to use. New forms will contain the reCAPTCHA code. Previously saved forms will need to be opened and republished in order for the code to be inserted into them as well. Open in the main menu, Addresses, Online Form Designer, and open and republish all your previous forms. If you don't have a form and want to create one, click the new icon on the top right. You can tell which forms need publishing by the exclamation mark icon. Form security information will appear in the list of forms at the top with the green reCAPTCHA protected logo. Finally, in the App Store, make sure there is a green circle and the text active next to the Captcha app. If the circle is orange, check the forms again and publish. If you publish the forms on your website, they must also be replaced accordingly on that site. After you have set up Captcha, be sure to test that the registration process is working properly. If there is an error, you will see an image with an error message in the form test preview in the bottom right corner. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a blue logo in the bottom right corner. From now on, you have already set up protection for your online forms.